The kitchen is the heart of the home, but it can also be a source of stress. From prepping meals to cleaning up, it often feels like there's never enough time to get everything done. But what if you could make your time in the kitchen faster, easier, and even more enjoyable? This article reveals genius kitchen hacks that will transform the way you cook, clean, and organize. These are tips you'll wish you had discovered sooner. 1. Keep herbs fresh for longer. Fresh herbs can elevate any dish, but they often wilt quickly. Use these hacks to make them last. Freeze herbs in olive oil. Chop fresh herbs like parsley, basil, or cilantro, and freeze them in ice cube trays filled with olive oil. These cubes can be tossed directly into soups, stews, or sautés. Store in a damp paper towel. Wrap herbs in a damp paper towel and place them in a resealable bag. This method keeps them fresh in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. 2. Speed up. Garlic. Peeling garlic can be tedious, but it doesn't have to be. Shake in a jar. Place garlic cloves in a jar, close the lid, and shake vigorously. The skins will come off easily. Microwave for 10 seconds. Pop a clove into the microwave for a few seconds. The skin loosens, making it easy to peel. 3. Revive stale bread. Don't toss out stale bread. Instead, use the oven. Lightly sprinkle water on the bread and bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for about 10 minutes. It will come out fresh and crispy. Microwave with a damp towel. Wrap the bread in a damp paper towel and microwave it for 10 to 15 seconds. 4. Prevent boiling over. Tired of pots boiling over? Here's the fix. Use a wooden spoon. Place a wooden spoon across the top of the pot. The spoon breaks the surface tension of the bubbles, preventing them from spilling over. Add oil. A small splash of oil in the water can also help keep the foam down. 5. Peel potatoes without a peeler. Save time peeling potatoes with this trick. Boil and ice bath. Boil the potatoes, then transfer them to an ice bath for a few seconds. The skin will slide right off. 6. Ripen fruits. Faster? Need ripe fruit in a hurry? Try these methods. Paper bag. Trick. Place the fruit in a paper bag with a banana or apple. These fruits release ethylene gas, which speeds up ripening. Rice method. For fruits like mangoes, bury them in a container of rice to ripen within a day. Conclusion. These kitchen hacks are game changers, saving you time, reducing waste, and making cooking more enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, these tips will transform the way you work in the heart of your home. Try them out, and you'll wish you had known them sooner.